Hello class 7, let me start the maths period chapter 2 exercise 2.1. I am doing here the examples relating to 2.1, not doing the exercise today. You have to do only these example first, after that we do the exercise and going on through it. Okay, let me take the example number 6. The perimeter of a rectangle is 13 centimeter and its width मतलब चौड़ाई is 3/4 centimeter. Find its length. You have to find the length of the rectangle. Okay, so here the length is missing, so let the length of rectangle is equal to x. Okay, or the breadth is given, so there is a no need to measure, to assume it, that is 3/4 centimeter. Convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction 4 to the 8 or 3 11 upon 4 centimeter. Okay, now what is the formula of the perimeter of rectangle? That is twice of length plus breadth. Okay, now perimeter is given, perimeter is 13 centimeter, so write 13 centimeter below the perimeter of the rectangle, and twice of what is length? Length is, we are assuming, that is x, plus breadth is 11 upon 4. Okay, now multiply the 2 inside, that is 2x, plus when 2 go inside, cutting with the 2 and a 4, and it will become like this. You can do the direct cutting here, plus 11 upon 2. Okay, now that is your choice. You convert it into the decimal or going with the other side and do minus, or you have to take the LCM form to solve it. I am going to take into the decimal convert. I convert it into the decimal, so it gives the answer 5.5. now 5.5 has the term of without x, so turn this term with the 13, with that will be minus here, so the answer is 7.5, that is 2x. So 7.5 upon 2 is equal to x, and convert into decimal, so the length of the rectangle is 2 3 the 6, 0.27 the 14, that is the length of the rectangle. Okay, there is your choice. You convert it into the decimal or convert it into the fraction, that is your choice. Okay, the answer will be, both are correct. If you convert it into the LCM form, then the answer will that you get in the form of a fraction, and that when you convert the decimal form, that your answer you will get, that is the in the form of decimal, that is both the answer will be correct. Okay, now going through the next example, I am doing here only the two examples 6 and 7, because all the examples are related from your class 7th. Okay, the present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. The age of Sahil is today, and his mother is 3 times. 3 times मतलब 3 गुना है, तो let the age of Sahil, what is the age of Sahil? Let that we assume that is x years, and the age of his mother, the word I have skipped, that is present, not here, present age of Sahil, present age of his mother, that is 3x, because she is 3 times. Now after 5 years, when after 5 years both the age has increased by 5, so after 5 years the age of Sahil equal to that, Sahil is also increased by 5 years, and the age of his mother 3x plus 5. Okay, now the next condition, their age will be at to 66 years when you add both the ages after 5 years ages, according to question. What is say? When you add the 5 years age, this is Sahil age after 5 years and this is his mother age, 3x plus 5, that will get the answer 66. That is given. Okay, now solve the term x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 66. Now that is 4x plus 10 is equal to 66. Now 10 is a term of without x, so change its place, 56. X is equal to 56 upon 4. Now cutting it, 4 ones are 4, 4 4 are 16, that is 14. So find out the present age. The present age of Sahil is equal to 14 years and the present age of his mother will be 3 times. Okay, that is 42 years. Okay, I'm doing here only 2 example. There are 4 more example. Total example are there 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Total 6 example that you have given today. Do it. If you have any problem, then discuss with me. I solve it as usual, as you like. Okay, because these are the repeated question of your class 7 and I hope you can do it very firmly. Thank you.